Pinagbuyutan Island holds one of the most outstanding landscapes in El Nido with its sheer limestone walls, white sands and island shape. The beach has soft powdery white sand comparable to the world's best beaches. This stretch of sand makes it a great place to just stay in a hammock, forget all your troubles and relax. The waters of Pinagbuyutan are one of a kind, as the shallow waters near the shore are colored white because of the sand below, and turn green then blue as you go farther from the shore. For about a couple of meters from the shore the water is shallow and then gets deeper into an area full of fish, perfect for snorkeling. On an elevated part of the island, from the beach there are coconut trees planted, which make a nice shade and just add to the exquisite tropical look.
Pinagbuyutan. It's hard to pronounce this one, guys, but Pinagbuyutan, I think it's called. Beautiful sandy beach. This one is such a beauty. One of my favorite beaches are when you have a soft sand and then it goes into the grassland, just like this one. Ooh, that is powdery soft. And then from the beach, you walk up here to the grassline. Take out the shoes and wipe off that sand. Look at the kids, they're hiding. Hey! Come then! That, guys, I've never been to this island before. Love the grass over here.